one of the first things that we probably should have done earlier on was to create conditional links right here, so that if you're signed in, you have the ability to sign out, and if you're not signed in, well, then you'll get these two links right here. So we can do that right now. If we go into our header file, down at the bottom, put an if statement, if user signed in, and this user signed in is a method of Devise, so it's nothing that you have to create. Then create a link to sign out, and then if we go into our terminal here, and if you do a rake routes, we need to find out what is going to give us our sign out. So here we'll want to destroy our user session. So what we need to use is destroy user session path. Destroy user session path. And what you always need to remember about destroying anything is you have to tell it what method to use. Method delete. So anytime you're doing a destroy, you have to append it with a method delete so that it knows to be deleting something instead of doing like a get or a post. And then here we can say edit profile. And if we go into our rake routes again, we want to edit our registration. So we want to do an edit user registration. So we can get rid of all of this right here. Edit user registration path. Else, do these two things. Save it, go to our application, do a refresh, and since I'm logged in, I have these two links right here, and actually let's just change that around so that it looks a little bit better. I'll do a refresh. There you go. So if I sign out, now I'm signed out, and I can sign in. It's Bob. And then if I'd like, I can edit my profile. And there you go. I can change my first name, last name, and then my passwords as well. Alright, so with just very few code, we created something pretty powerful, I think, in creating some conditional links here. Again, probably should have done this early on so that we wouldn't have to keep either manually logging out or closing out the browser. But there you go, we have it now, and so any future development should be a lot easier when we're testing user actions.